Hello friends, welcome to Totally Dazzled. I'm Jennifer with Home Sweet Create. Hello everybody. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the ball cap, this is just one of those from Hobby Lobby, which are cute because if you want to wear a high ponytail or a little bun, you can in these. But they're, they're super inexpensive. They're a few dollars, $6. This one's $6. Here's my thoughts. I do have these patches. I've had these little patches. They're bigger than what I remembered them being, but because I want to use the lips, I think the lips like coming off the brim over here would be super cute. Oh, decisions, y'all. I'm trying to decide. I really had this in mind. Because I do want to use the patches just to add some additional color. All right, let's do that. I am going to use a little bit of Fabri-Tac, and I'm going to use a little bit of our heat from our iron. Now, what's up with that? Okay, I am going to try to just see what happens here. But look, y'all, that's cute. That's cute. You could even just bling those out with your rhinestone applicator kit if you don't have the stencils. That would work as well. Now, do y'all think that, I don't know. I'm just gonna look at this for a second. I don't know if I could get those stones to lay down because of where, well, y'all, it's worth a shot. Okay, so we are going to lay this down on a flat surface, clean flat surface, and we're gonna pour our stones out. Okay. All right, and so here is your transfer sheet. We're gonna lay that down and make sure you're ready to commit when you hover it. And then you're ready to lift that part up. Just go slow, make sure all your stones grabbed. And they did. Okay. So I am just, whoa, come here. Laid that down. Okay, that's cute. Now let's pray this works. These look like they went down well, but on that side we may, yeah, these did. May have to use a little more heat. Okay, that's working. That is working. We just need to focus over here a little bit better. Oh my word. Okay, let's. That did the trick. Oh, that's so cute. So same thing, but we are going to, we've used the lips before. So we're going to lay that down, and then we're gonna go with the ruby shimmer. Please stick. Please be stuck. We may just have to come in with some B7000. Okay. There's quite a few right there that didn't stay down. Okay. So you see, we just need to go back and fill a few of those in. It'll be just fine. Just fine. Because seriously, I don't know what the heck it's doing here, but we got it. We got it. We're just gonna go, just do some little glue dots here. Like, look at it. Isn't that cute? So that is the red or the ruby shimmer. Ruby shimmer. Okay. But I want to add some of these stones, you know, coming around this way. Let's just do a few of the large ones. We'll do it like graduating here. And I'm just going to use the stitch line as my guide. So I just put some of those smaller ones. Look at, it's picking up all the colors. So pretty. Okay, and then I'm gonna do those little smaller ones all the way the rest of that line. So they're just graduating in size. Let's see. I'm trying to decide if I want to add a little something on here in the bling. But I like it how it is. I really do. This would be cute in the back, right? I wonder if you would see it. Or maybe like here. Yeah, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Oh my gosh, that is cute. That is really cute. So you've got your lips with your yip tick, and we just applied the patches with the X's and O's, along with the, that is the ruby shimmer. I wish the color would show up as pretty in the camera. So cute. So all of you have an amazing, blessed day. Stay warm. Bye-bye, friends.